Hi. All right. Hi, this is Hong Thaimee and this is Nyam in the East Village. I'm going to show you how to make a chicken satay sandwich. Come with me. And then in 2005, when tsunami hit, got a chance to volunteer, and I feel like, you know, life's too short and it's so fragile. I should do something that I love doing and I'm passionate about. So I quit my corporate job, my fancy life. I packed and I landed here in hope that I can serve what I know, which is good Thai food. Yeah. So now I have this beautiful grilled chicken. I love the color, the yellow and the char. Oh my God, I'm talking like a pro. And I'm gonna start assembling it with homemade peanut sauce. But we make it thicker so it can act like a spread. Some greens, tomatoes, chicken, and then the ajat. So this dish is pretty much a play on the satay that I have growing up. In Thailand, you have like a grilled chicken with peanut sauce and toast and the pickle, cucumber, and some pickled shallots. How does that look? Let's spread one more time. Here we go.
That is a pretty sandwich.
That's it?
Yep.
Oh my God, that's easy.
Super easy.
Yo, thanks for watching. It's Robbie the Sandwich Serini. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a new video each week. If you got a place we should check out, then let me know down in the comments. We love you and see you next time.
Oh, that's good.
Sandwich vendor.